Lie down somewhere comfortable. Get under a blanket if that feels good. Take a few deep breaths. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Slower than you think you need. Now close your eyes and imagine that you're a cloud. Not a stormy one, just one that's a little full, a little heavy, a little tired. Imagine your worries as raindrops drifting out of you, soaking softly into the earth below. Nothing dramatic, just release and letting go. Let your body sink, let your thoughts float. You don't need to do anything else right now. Just be a cloud and let it rain.